Hey, I'm Big Crew, so we're gonna jump right in. Yes, I know my hair is giving old braids, but they're just frizzy. They're actually not that old. But anyways, I'm just parting out my edges or whatever, and then I'm just gonna take some Xtreme Styling Gel and I'm gonna brush back the front. So I start braiding my braids far back so I can leave the front unbraided. That way when I wear my wigs and stuff like that, it be giving sleek. So I'm going to go ahead and put on my wig cap, and then we're just going to get into these edges. So I am using Ebin Edge Tamer Gel on my hairline, and I'm just going to swoop my edges around and get them together, you guys. So the technique I like to use is I brush and then swoop my finger over it. I'm telling you guys that will get your edges really, really sleek. Don't just solely rely on the edge brush. Use your fingers, because your edges will last all day, trust me, into the next day, because I'll be waking up and my edges still be on fully. So next I'm going to take this Style Factor Hideout in black. You guys, I love this stuff. Like, not only does it darken your baby hair, your edges, and gives them a little bit more poppage. No, but it also really lays your edges. I mean, this stuff have you sleek. My sideburns out, and I did put heat protectant on them, so I'm just taking my small flat iron and I'm just going to flat iron my edges just a little bit. Well, my sideburns, only my sideburns. I didn't flat iron my like hairline. This unit is from MyFirstWig. The name is Tara. Y'all see how they got the grippers on the headband part? Like, okay, MyFirstWig got coming through. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put it on. It is a bob wig in 10 inches, so I'm just getting it adjusted, velcro in the back. So now that I have the unit on, I'm just gonna add some edge control to my sideburns and swoop them around, and see how like sleek they got, and like they just lay down really, really good. So that's why I went ahead and flat ironed them. But teach his own. You do not have to do this, okay? It is up to you. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and straighten the unit bone straight. I didn't add anything to the hair, you guys. I did put a little bit of edge control in my hand and rubbed it around to help with the flyaways, but there weren't many flyaways. But yeah, I didn't put anything in this unit, you guys. It's very easy to apply. It straightens very nicely. I didn't want it bumped underneath. I don't really like that. So I went ahead and just pressed it out bone straight. That's more of, you know, my style when I'm rocking straight hair. And this is what it looks like from the back. Super nice, super flowy. And then just look at the cut. Like, the cut looks so nice, blunt cut, love it. So this is it without a headband, so it looks very nice, very natural. I'm loving this look. Perfect for spring and summer. Like, this is perfect. So I went ahead and added a headband so I could show you guys what it looked like, and it looks really cute with the headband as well. I'm feeling myself, as y'all can see. And look at my hairline. Like, it's the swoop arounds for me, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and gather the hair at the top, and we're gonna do a little bun. I just want to see what it will look like. It's really silky, so I had to do a braid in order to be able to put it into a bun. So I'm just going to twist that around itself and add a hair tie on the end so that it will stay into place. And I think it looks really cute with the little top knot bun. It gives you a different look. Okay, cute, cute. You guys have now made it to the end of the video or whatever, so we're gonna go ahead and get into this unit a little bit more deeper so I can go ahead and give y'all my opinion. Y'all already know how I do. So as you guys know, this unit is from MyFirstWig. The wig name is Tara, okay, and it is a headband wig. Period. It is in the silky texture. It is 100% Malaysian virgin hair. It's in a natural color, 10 inches. And I got it in cap size 1 because y'all know I got a small head. And yeah, it's giving what it needs to give. It's giving fresh relaxer, okay? Yes, honey. It's giving fresh relaxer. Like, I am loving this unit, you guys. This is probably like one of my absolute favorite headband units that I've tried. I just really think it looks so cute. And this does come in another texture. It comes in YAKI. I have the Silky. I would have preferred the YAKI. I mean, I like the Silky. It's still giving, like, it's giving fresh relaxer. But I would have liked to see how the YAKI texture is too, or whatever, because you know that probably would have gave a more blown out feel. But I really do like this one though. I really do like this. It is so pretty. What I did was I went ahead and pressed it out straight. I didn't bump it on the end or anything like that. So yes, and then I laid the baby hairs down. Y'all got to see that. But I really do like this unit, you guys. This is popping. I feel like they've done some upgrades to their headband wigs, which I'm noticing, because the Velcro on the back is really, really soft and it's longer, so it gives you more room to snap into place. Another thing that I like is how it has the grippers. Like they put like these grippers on the headband part, which I love. So like if you don't use the combs, because I do not use the combs, I feel like it won't be as easy to slide off your head or anything like that because it is gripped. So I love that. I feel like they put the right amount of hair on this unit. Like it's not too thick, it's not thin, it's the right amount of hair. The cut is cute, it's really blunt, and it has a lot of body. This bob is perfect. Those of you that don't want to lay no lace, those of you that don't want to deal with no lace closures, this is going to be the unit for you. And those of you that want to wear your hair straight, but you don't want to straighten your natural hair, this is definitely going to be for you, because look how realistic this looks. Like this is giving me when I was in high school. Like it's giving me very much so. My boyfriend about to walk me to my 4th period. And I just got my hair done over the weekend. I went to the salon and she did me a fresh blowout and a press. And then I went home and I laid my baby hair. That's what it's giving. It is giving cute. It's a headband from me, you guys. But they did provide me with some headbands. I just didn't use them. But they provide me with some really cute ones. Like these are really cute. Like I love these ones that crisscross in the front like that. Super cute. So they did provide me with some headbands. So love that for me. I'm gonna have this unit for so long. I really love these headband units. I don't know about you guys, but these are like right up my alley because I love, like, laying lace is cool because y'all know I do lay lace wigs and I wear them and stuff like that. But this is just so much easier to do. Like, it's just so much easier. All I gotta do is worry about laying my baby hairs, or you ain't gotta do that. You can push them all the way back if you would like. But I think it just looks so cute. And I went ahead and did the little flat iron hack on my sideburns because I don't know about y'all, but I love a dramatic sideburn. I always have. I kind of stopped wearing my sideburns slick when I was in high school. Like, we was kind of swooping our hair, but not so much. But like in middle school, honey, my sideburns used to be dramatic, and I still love me a dramatic edge. Okay, sideburn. I don't care what nobody say. I love my sideburns nice and thick. I love how they look. I feel like, who you talking to? You know, when you first leave the salon, you be whipping that hair. Every time you talk. And yeah, she said this to me, and I was just like, girl, what are you even talking about? That's what you be doing when you leave the salon. Well, at least that's how I used to be. I used to be whipping that little fresh little blowout when I used to leave the salon back in the day. But this is very much giving me relaxed. Loving it. You know, a nice little switch up here and there. There's nothing wrong with switching it on up. I'm going to go ahead and rate this unit at A++++. It is very minimal shedding. I hardly have not gotten any strands, like maybe one or two. Like A+. My first wig, y'all did that, the construction, the way it's fitting on my head, like the layage, the sleekage. Y'all did y'all thing with this one. The thing about my first wig will be in the description box below, so make sure you guys check there. This unit, Tara, will also be linked in the description box below if you're interested in her, so make sure y'all go and check it out. Oh, and she does come in different lengths, but why would you get another length? Why would you not get the 10-inch? It's giving Bobbiana. If you guys enjoyed this video, thanks for watching. Check out my first wig. They'll be in the description box, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.